Hello and welcome friends. Today I am going to start the new season of that digital marketing season 2, a new topic for digital marketing, key web ingredients. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video and just send the queries in the comment section. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As I told you, our key topic is key website ingredients. So this is a very important topic and sometimes this class will be lengthy. So let's get started. In this lesson, we will talk through some crucial early decisions you will make about your websites. So choosing a website name and planning how your site is structured. The goal is making it easy for customers to find their way around and get what they want. Because a happy customer equals a more successful business, right? So ready to go? First up, your domain name. Domain name is just your home name actually, your business name actually. That's what people will type into a web browser to find you. When choosing a domain name, you first need to check if the anyone want is available or not. There can be only one something like that tastebakery.com on the web, for example, and if someone has already claimed it, you won't able to use it again. So how do you know the name you want is taken? Just do a search for domain register and click on the results so that you can find that domain is available or not. There should be a tool on the site that lets you see if someone is already using that name you want, and if they are, it may suggest another similar name that is available for you to use. A good domain name is one that people can easily remember. So keep it short, relevant, and as to the point to your business directly. You may be able to get a variation of the name you want by choosing a different extension, something like .com, .co.in, .in, .org, .co, .uk, something like that, which is a fancy name for the bit at the end. You are probably already familiar with the .com or .co.in extensions, but you might find others that are available or better fit. For example, non-profit organizations often use .org, which is organization for and non-profit organizations. What this also means is that although tastebakery.com may be taken, so you can use tastebakery.net if it is still available for you. Okay, that's the name sorted. Let's have a look at some other common parts of the website, like the home page. This is the first page people see after they type in your domain name and get to your website to see the content of your website. The home page is your shop window where your people invite in and explain what you are all about. A home page also directs visitors to other pages of your website through what we call navigation. Your navigation headings may run across the top of the page or down the side. Either way, it's a menu that lets people travel from one part to the another part to another. How you organize the site is very important for them because they need to navigate it. Start by thinking about the websites you visit regularly, how they are organized. Now, decide what kind of content you want to offer and then grow it together in such a ways that make sense. Incidentally, many website building tools offer business website templates that can help you get started to the digital world. One easy place to start, the pages and section you see the most on most websites, things like about and contact pages. Your website's contact page might include your address, phone number, email, and a map with directions. The about page might tell the story of your business and include photos of some of your best offerings to the people. There's no right or wrong way to organize a site, but you always want to put yourself in your visitor's shoes. So what's he or she looking for? What are they trying to accomplish on the website? Now you want to set things up. So it's super easy for visitors to find the information they need, like the bakery working hours and submitting an online orders for you. Let's check out what you will see on the pages themselves. So first, You will notice those navigation signposts like the about and contact headings. They should appear on every page of your site so that people can get always to where they want to go back or to where they have been. Of course, there will also be a words or text, headlines, paragraphs, bulleted list, and you might also have things like images and videos to show to the people. Text and images can also be a set of some links to other pages on the internet where they are clicked. These are known as hyperlinks or shortcut to other pages, either on your site or elsewhere on the web. Many websites also invite customers to interact with features like forms to submit questions, maps with turn-by-turn directions to your store, or shopping basket to buy products directly from your store to their home. Your website, your digital storefront is a great opportunity to connect with the customers. Choosing the right domain by organizing the site logically and including nifty features can help your visitors to find exactly what they are looking for. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the comment section for your queries. Thank you very much. Have a good day.